star!
So if you want to make your Filipina happy, this is what you're gonna need to do.
Gutom ako, gusto ko adobo.
Okay, I will cook you adobo lang. First we will cook some rice.
Yes,
Rice
no
first?
rice, no power. No power, no.
So I'm gonna cook 3 cups of rice because Stuart is gonna eat with us. Stuart is his cousin. So first I'm gonna wash the rice. By the way, this is how Te told me how to cook rice. So I'm doing everything the way she told me so that I can, you know, this video is about how to make your Uya very happy. And that is by cooking her some pork adobo. That's what we're cooking, by the way. So you need to wash the rice twice.
Yes, twice.
Twice is nice.
Twice is nice.
Okay, then what you should do to add the clean water, the drinking water, you should measure it until it's on that line of your finger. Let's add that line. Now it's the easy part, we just put it inside the rice cooker. Because here in the Philippines, we use a rice cooker. Switch it on. For the pork adobo.
Yeah, it's there in the...
It's here?
No, there in the freezer.
The freezer. Oh, so I still need to defrost it.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the pork. We have a microwave, but you know we're doing this to make the Filipina happy, and the Filipinos don't really like to use microwave. They like it the old-fashioned way, even when they have a microwave. So we're gonna put this in this pot, and we're gonna boil it with some garlic. But I always see you with the garlic like that.
You see, Vimpy is gets scared holding a knife.
Yeah, not good with knives. Just like to do this. Here we go! Okay, so I noticed that mosquitoes get very excited when it rains. And I'm already seeing them getting excited, and I got this off lotion that if the company sees this video, I would like to be your ambassador because this stuff really works. Not a paid ad though.
It's crazy where you get so easily bitten with mosquitoes.
I told you they like South African blood.
Filipinos are like most likely immune to them.
I think they are used to the taste of Filipino blood. Like your mom said the other day, they are mostly, or they are actually female mosquitoes, so you should be the one that should be jealous. Because it's basically like other Filipinas trying to get me, you know. Okay, so while the pork is being defrosting, I'm gonna cut some more garlic and onions that we're gonna use in the pork adobo. Look at all this.
That's the oil and the fat.
You know, one thing I like here in the Philippines is that you can buy these in adobo cut. So back home you cannot get that, you have to cut it yourself, but here we got it already pre-cut in adobo size. We might need to cut it again because it's pretty big. Look at all that fat.
You know.
There's this part to get.
I think it's enough.
This is actually my first time cooking pork adobo. First time was with my parents. For my parents, I did a video about that. Second time was for my friend Flippy and his wife. So I hope you like it, Langa.
Of course. Anything that you make for me, I don't know. How did your friends and your parents?
They liked it, but they're not Filipino, so they don't know what it's supposed to taste like. Because these are a little bit big, we're gonna just cut it a little bit like that size. We have the pork already cut up, we have the onions, we have the garlic, we have the black peppercorn, we have the bay leaves, we have soy sauce and vinegar. So first off, I'm gonna start with sauteing the onions and the garlic, right?
Yes.
That's the first
With
step.
oil first.
Oil first, yeah. So next, I'm just gonna add the pork. Like spread it out evenly. Mix it together because then I will add the soy sauce. Salt, that we forgot to mention earlier. Teaspoon.
A teaspoon.
Okay, we only have a tablespoon. Black pepper.
It's fine.
Not good.
That's good.
We just add some too big.
Too big.
You know, the first time I did this, I was scared of putting too much soy sauce. Then the final ingredient, the peppercorn, black peppercorn and the bay leaves. Close it and let it simmer for a bit, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you keep your Filipina happy. Okay, so it's been cooking for a while. What you should do is like take a little bit like that and then have your uyab taste it. Yeah, blow on it. So how is it? It's good?
Yeah, it's good, Linga.
It's good, okay. Are you happy yet?
I'm very happy.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just checking this. It should be right now. It's looking really good. What do you think? Woo! Okay, are you ready to eat?
No, I'm gonna cook vegetables first.
Or are you gonna cook gulai?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook gulai.
Okay, very good. Did you mean for that to happen?
No?
It looks yummy, Ranga.
Soupy curry veggie.
Soupy curry veggies, that's what you call that.
Yeah.
This is only my third time cooking pork adobo.
I think it's gonna be 100% tasty.
I hope it's good, man.
Get our stomachs filled with some good food.
Okay, let's taste. The moment of truth.
It's really good.
I think I did good. I think I even did better than the previous time.
Really?
Yeah. How do you feel? Are you happy? So this video, this guide is a success.
Successful.
What do you think? Are you happy?
It makes you more like You could really use some more rice because when the food is the viand is tasty, like it would cost a lot of rice.
Oh, okay. Okay, great success. Filipina is happy. Now I'm gonna show you something of Stuart. Okay, so Stuart is the owner of the Black Store.
What's up? Hello guys.
And today he's gonna use me as his model, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna model his new cap. And if you want a cap like this, where do you go?
Just go to the Facebook page.
Facebook page, I will
Yeah.
link that below.
I'm just gonna plug this in my shop.
Okay, or you can search the Black Store.
And also shout out to this guy. His name is Ulap.
Ulab. I've seen him before on Instagram.
Yeah, and also in Bye Bye.
And bye bye.
Like a lot of murals out there.
Nice one. Okay, we will check that tomorrow. Okay, so this is the shirt Langa bought me from the Black Store. You can also get that. It's still available on your page. Check it out. Link below. What are we gonna do now?
Now we're just gonna wear the cap and then just shoot it.
Okay, you just.
Yeah, just like that. Then I will stay here because the lighting is better.
I'm a model. Should I smile or look more serious?
I'll look more serious.
Okay.
And then like a close-up shot on the cap. I'm just trying to get angle. Can you do 4 urns? 1, 2, 3. It's like model of Quicksilver. Just like that. Yeah. Yeah. Back. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Or like this, or like that,
Like that.
like that.
That one's perfect.
Uh-huh.
Can you look like here, like a bit?
Is it up?
No, just like
Like that way, like that.
Yeah, like
Yeah, just
small, like.
twitch.
Can you look up a bit, like just to look at the lens?
Oh, look at the lens.
Alright. You know.
Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, nice. I love that.
This
I
one.
look so
This
a
one.
bit dark and mysterious.
Yeah, add some text. Just add some text, like now available,
Yeah.
like
yeah.
a magazine.
Oh, you're planning for that? Yeah, nice one. You like this? You like this look? This is my new look, the Black Store, man.
Skater dude.
Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.